Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can use ClickUp for project management. So why do we need ClickUp in the first place? Well, it is a great platform for you to manage all your projects, and it helps us be more productive, which in turn help us save time, and we can utilize that time in something else. So this is why we need to use ClickUp. So for that, you just have to open up your browser, and after that you need to search for ClickUp. And after that you need to open up the very first link that you will see on the search results. Just open it up, and this is where it will lead you to. After that you need to just click on this option of sign up, provide your email address over here, and click on get ClickUp, and it is absolutely free. After that, provide your full name and create a password for you, then click on this option of play with ClickUp. Then a confirmation code will be sent to your email address that you just provided. Open your email address and provide that code over here and click on verify. After that, it will ask you what would you like to use a ClickUp for. Then just choose accordingly. Now select the size of your company over here. Now it will ask you whether you use these tools or not. Just choose appropriately, because it is quite important for us to give all the answers correctly in order to receive the platform or fully utilize this platform of ClickUp. And after giving out all the answers, it will ask you whether you want to invite your teammates or not, and you can simply add your teammates over here using their email address. Just add your teammates so all of you can work together on a project. But for now I'm just skipping this step and clicking on next. Then it will ask you to name your workspace. Workspace is basically a place where we will be managing all our projects. So you can just name it accordingly, according to your company or brand's name over here. I'm just typing test for now and clicking on finish. So this is how it will appear after you log into your account. And after that, this is the space that we just created. But first, let's explore the home, notification and other options before diving into the space section. So when we click on home, we will be able to see different sections over here. Like in the lineup section, you will be able to see all the tasks that you need to do. So you can just line up your task in their priority basis. And on the trending, you will be able to see all the tasks that you have been devoting your time to. So you will be able to see right on your home page that what are the tasks that are needs to be done, and other tasks that where you are giving your time to. So in the work section, you will be able to see the task that needs to be done today and all the comments on that particular task. And on the calendar, you will be able to add different tasks to it, or you can add different projects. If you want to do a certain project on a certain date, then you can just simply select that particular date. Suppose you want to do some task on 1st of April, then you can just select 1st of April over here, and after that just select any appropriate time. Suppose you want to start something on 1st of April at 1 a.m. then you can just click over here, double click on it basically, and you will be able to add some tasks over here. So this is how you do it. And on the notifications section, you will be able to see all the notifications over here. And on the section of assigned to me, basically all the things that have been assigned to you, all the notifications related to that will appear on this section. And all your mentions on different projects will be shown on the mention section. This is how notifications work. And when you click on show more, you will be able to see two more options over here. The first one is Pulse. It basically helps you with tracking all your time, where you are devoting your time to. So here you will be able to manage your time in a better way. And on the goals section, we are able to set different goals according to our needs and requirements. And for that, you just have to click on this option of set a goal. After that, you just have to name the goal over here, and you will be able to add people over here. Suppose you are the team leader and you are providing goal to someone who is in your team. So you can provide that goal to individual team or a group of team. So just choose that particular person over here and click enter or OK. After that, that goal will be shown to that person, or you can also set goals to yourself. This way you will be able to work according to goals. And in the favorite section, all your favorites will appear. And in the space section, we will be working. So on the docs section, you will be able to see all the documents basically that has been sent on this particular project, on a particular project. So let's explore the space section now. So in a space section, while creating, we just created one space over here, but let's create a new one where we will be working. So let's click on this option of plus new space. Now we can either go with the templates over here, or we can create a new one. All we have to do is just enter the space name. Space name is basically our project. Suppose you are working on a project which is for a certain brand or company, you can type that company's or brand's name over here, or you can just go with the templates if you are quite new to this platform of ClickUp or any other project management platform. So just go with the pre-made templates to help you out. Let's create a new one for now. So we will just enter YouTube over here, then click on next, and then it will ask us to choose the color of this. So we can just choose the options accordingly. And we can also upload this avatar according to our brand's image if we are working for a particular brand. Then click on next. And after that, you can either create it privately or add this particular project to a test workspace that we just created. So we will just select it under the test and click on next. And then it will ask us what type of statuses that we want. In YouTube, we can add many. If it is related to content, these are the things that might be required in our project. So on YouTube, we can customize it according to our needs. So for that, we need topics, and click on add. Then we can add another one, which is for scripting. Let's get it in the blue color. Then we can add one more, recording. Then we can add one more, editing and publishing. So these can be our statuses under which we will be adding subtopics in order to get it all done. So these are the basic headlines for our project. You will be getting complete idea of it after we complete it all. So let's click on next for now. Then you can select all the features that you want in your particular project. Suppose you want to add priority basis, so you will be able to set the priority to a particular task. For that, you need to select this priority. First of all, deselect all of them, so you will be able to select quite easily. So just check one by one and choose any of them after that. So let's select priority, email, tags, or multiple assignees, or time tracking or time estimates can be added too. And we can add more, or we can also click on show more in order to add them. And after that, just click on this option of next. Then it will ask you how do you want to see your project, in what view. So the board view is quite easy to use in this case of YouTube management. You can turn them all on and just switch around them whenever you want to. And you can also make it default by clicking on the three dots and click on default. So this way it will be added as default. Then click on review space. And this is how it will give you a review of your space, the settings that you choose, and then click on create a space. And a space will be created after that. So this is how it will appear. Now these are the headings under which we will be working. So this is how it will appear. Now what we have to do is just click on this option of new task and add a topic here. Suppose we want to create a video on cryptocurrency, so we will just add crypto over here and click enter. Then a card will be added which is related to crypto. Now suppose a person will be assigned to give topics to our YouTube channel. So this person will just type different topics, and after that, person who needs to script on it, then that person will just drag and drop it on the scripting section. And you, being the team leader, can click on this option and assign this task to any person out there in your team. So just assign them. This way that person will be able to see this under their tasks and they will be able to complete it. You can also add time tracking to it, like we added it while creating this option. So this is how it will work. You can add subtasks to it, and you can add other attachments as well by dropping that particular attachment over here. And you can also set due date to it by clicking on this option of due date. You can add commands to it, like you want this particular video or topic to be researched in a particular way. You can just type your commands over here and your teammate will be able to see it. So this way you will be able to manage all of your teammates in a hassle-free manner. So this way every person will be working according to their skill set whenever a particular task is being shifted to their responsibility section, and when it is complete, then we can just move it around over here. And you can also add priority to it by just hovering around your cursor on it and clicking on this option of set priority, and after that you can select it accordingly. So this is how you will be able to manage different projects on ClickUp. Or you can also change the view over here. If you want to see it on a calendar view, then this is how it will appear. And for list view, this is how it will appear. So board view is quite better for me, as I'm used to working on boards. So this is how board view will look like. You can add more spaces by clicking on this option of new space and add projects to it. So this is how you manage projects on ClickUp. And if you still need any help, you can always comment down below. This was just a beginner's tutorial. And if you like this video, then make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.